Imagine you're chewing your father out for not getting the groceries from the store. Yeah, 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 yeah. Healthy snack time. Did you know that healthy snack time contains nutrients and vitamins and whatever wabuza to help you become a goalie in hockey or soccer? People believe a lot of things, and sometimes they don't, like this guy. But what if I told you I'm on a horse? Eating an apple. Pretty funny, eh? Jesus, apple too. Well, see you guys next time. Woohoo!